always try to do just a little bit extra in terms of preparing for projects. So this illustrates of my approach before I start a project. Before I even, let's say, engage with a client, before I even know what the actual project challenges are, if I just know, okay, this is gonna be about, let's say, oil drilling, oil engineering, pipeline engineering, rigs and things of that nature, I'm gonna go out of my way and find a podcast, I find a book I can read over a weekend, I find all the different courses, and I immerse myself into it. So I stack my free time with learning time and preparing and warming up for the project. For example, a book like that, Day-to-Day Oil and Gas Trading and Shipping Delivery. If you can pick a book which tells you the day-to-day of your users, of your potential users or your customers, you can then have better discussions immediately. You can stakeholder manage better because your language immediately resonates with your users or stakeholder. You don't have to sit at a desk. You can do a lot of learning or understanding or researching just by listening an audiobook and just going for a walk. Those couple of hours, an hour, 30 minutes is gonna be research time. Immediately makes you a higher performer than someone who's just gonna sit, learn, and don't really activate your brain that much. If you're gonna have a project in some sort of new field, make sure to immerse yourself. Every junior designer who are, let's say, just gonna start with, I don't know, let's pick something crazy like live streaming for YouTubers and all content creators. I think 99% of the designers, they're gonna know nothing about it. So what can you do as a designer to prepare for that? Well, pick up a book, read about it, read articles, audiobooks, podcasts, things of that nature. Totally immerse yourself. That immediately gonna make you like out of a junior a senior, out of a senior a lead, because you're gonna know much more about the actual industry and all those whereabouts.